Hello students, welcome to Mitu Maths classes. Your question is, for the function fx defined as x square by 2, a polynomial function when x is lying between 0 to 1, and another quadratic polynomial when x is lying between 1 to 2. Now you have to find which of the following is or are correct. इन चारों में से कौन सी डेफिनेशन करेक्ट है. इज आर भी लिखा हुआ है, दैट मीन्स इट कैन बी अ केस ऑफ मल्टीपल करेक्ट आंसर्स. सो यू हैव टू चेक फॉर ईच एंड एवरी ऑप्शन. Now your first option is fx is continuous at x is equals for all x belongs to 0 to 2 because the domain of your function is 0 to 2. So आपको पूरा हर कि आपका फंक्शन कंटिन्यूस है या नहीं. Then second option is derivative. F dash x is continuous for all x belongs to 0 to 2. So for the second option you have to check derivative function continuous है या नहीं. And C option says the second derivative function is discontinuous at x is equals to 1, and the fourth one is says that second derivative function is continuous for all x belongs to 0 to 2. So basically you have in this question you have to check your fx, f dash x and f double dash x, three functions for continuity. So let us start with continuity of fx. Now for a function to be continuous at fx in the whole interval 0 between 0 to 2, you can observe that when x is lying between 0 to 1, your function is defined as a polynomial function, and between 1 to 2 your function is again defined as a polynomial function, and polynomial functions are continuous everywhere. So since fx is a polynomial function for all x belongs to 0 to 2 minus 1 को छोड़ के, that implies it is continuous. और continuous है तो you have to just check continuity at x is equals to 1 here. So at x is equals to 1, let us try to find out left hand limit. Left hand limit will come from this function. So limit x tends to 1 x square upon 2, and that will come 1 by 2, and the right hand limit will come from where? From which function? This function, and this will be 2x square minus 3x plus 3 by 2, and this will also come to minus 3 plus 3 by 2. Minus 1 plus 3 by 2 will also give you half. Since left hand limit is equals to right hand limit, that implies fx is continuous at x is equals to 1 also. तो आपका 0 to 1 के बीच में भी polynomial function है. 1 पे your function fx is continuous, and from 1 to 2 it is again defined as a polynomial function. So your function fx is continuous for all x belongs to 0 to 2. So your correct first option is correct. Now you have to check your derivative function, whether your derivative function is continuous or not. So let us try to find out the derivative function. Now since to the left of 1 and to the right of 1 your function is differentiable, so you can directly find out the derivative function, and the derivative function will become the derivative of this is 2x upon 2, that is x when x is lying between 0 to 1, and the derivative of this is 4x minus 3 when x is lying between 1 to 2. Now you have to check the derivative function for continuity in the whole interval 0 to 2. Now you can again observe that between 0 to 1 your function is defined as polynomial function. So hence it is continuous. Polynomial functions are always continuous. And between 1 to 2, your derivative function again is defined as a polynomial function. तो यहाँ पर तो continuity है ही. So you have to just check continuity at x is equals to 1. Now at x is equals to 1, left hand limit of your function will be limit x tends to 1. आप लेफ्ट इसके लेफ्ट में to the left of 1 your function is defined as x and that will give you 1, and right hand limit is limit x tends to 1. To the right of 1 your function is defined as 4x minus 3 and this will again generate 1. Since left hand limit is equals to right hand limit, that means your derivative function is also continuous at x is equals to 1. So derivative function is continuous for all x belongs to 0 to 2. So your second option is also correct, that derivative function is also continuous for all x belongs to 0 to 2. But third and fourth option says that you have to check. Third option is second derivative function is discontinuous at x is equals to 1, and fourth option is second derivative function is continuous for all x belongs to 0 to 2. So you have to also check the second derivative function for continuity. So let us start with finding out the second derivative function. So since your first derivative function is differentiable everywhere, so we can directly find out the second derivative function. The second derivative function will be equals to the derivative of x is 1 when x is lying between 0 to 1, and the derivative function of this is 4 when x is lying between 1 to 2. Now you can easily observe that your between 0 to 1 your function is defined as constant function which is continuous everywhere, and between 1 to 2 your function is defined as a constant function which is continuous again. So you have to just check continuity for at x is equals to 1. उसके लिए आपको लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट निकालनी है, and the left hand limit will come from this function and that is equals to 1, and the right hand limit will come from this function and that is 4. Since left hand limit is not equals to right hand limit, that implies your second derivative function is not continuous at x is equals to 1. So your so it is discontinuous at x is equals to 1. So your correct C option is also correct. And if it is not continuous at x is equals to 1, how can be it continuous in the whole interval? So your option D is incorrect.